Hi viewers, today we're going to talk about how to create a form in Google Forms. So basically, you go to the Google Forms website and then you click on blank form. And then now you can create a form by adding a title. For example, and now you can see you can style your text, and I'm going to click OK here, and then back to the title. I'm going to add a title, for example, channel form. And now I'm going to put the description, channel form again. You can add any description you want and any title. Sorry about that. And then as you can see, you can add, this is the button where you click for adding a question. And as you can see, you can put a question. For example, I'm going to type, how was the video today? Yes, and here as you can see, it automatically updated me 1 to 5. 1 is bad, 5 is good. And that's optional really. And I'm going to turn this as a required question, which means that this question you need to answer. It's a must. Yes. And then you can import questions. As you can see, for example, in your Google Drive, you might see you can import questions from other forms, like this one. And I'm going to import the question. I think it's this form. Anyways, this is the first form. And then now you can add title and description, you can add another title, which is I'm going to type another title. And then description, I'm just going to leave it as is because it's optional really. And then you can add an image if you want. You can insert an image, you can upload it, you can use your camera, you can use, since I clicked that, I have to give permission to this. I'm going to click block. You can paste the URL of the image, you can go to your Google Photos, you can go to your Drive, or you can find it in Google Images in the web. Now I'm going to find futuristic city. Not bad. Anyways, and I'm going to put this image. This image looks great, doesn't it? And as you can see, the image is right here. I can also add a title for the image. I'm going to add futuristic city. Yes. And then, as you can see, I can bold the text, I can make it look slanted, and then I can underline the text, or I can even insert a link. So, I'm going to insert a link. www.youtube.com. And it will turn blue. And if you click the link, it will go straight to YouTube. Yes. Let's go back. And then you can also add a video. So you can add a video from YouTube, and I'm just gonna search a video. What video should I search? Okay, I'll just search a general video. Technology. Yes. Here's the video. I'm just gonna add it. Let's add this one. This tree looks nice. Anyways, let's add that. I'm gonna add futuristic video. And you can also add a video. And the same thing as the photo, you can add a title, you can bold it, you can make it look slanted and all. But really, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And then, last but not least, you can add another section. Second section. What is this section? Past section. Description. Write about the videos you want me to do. And then really, I think I'm just going to change the name to improvements. And then I'm going to add a question. What video do you want me to do next? And then I can just choose how people can answer this. For example, there are lots of options like short answer, I can paragraph, multiple choice like the one like this, check boxes, drop down. I can even upload a file. Let's see what that does. Yes, they need to sign into Google. Yes. So basically, Well, really, if I add a file here, I need to share this form with the people I trust, really. That's just a security precaution. And anyways, let's move on. I'm going to add a file. Okay. Maximum size, 10 megabytes. I'm going to put maximum number of files, 1 GB. Okay. This is basically an optional question, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And this is how to create a form. Oh, and if you want to send a form, really, if you want to put a picture on the top, you go here, and then you click Choose Image. Actually, on the top, you can choose any image you want. You can choose the themes here, or you can upload your image, or you can search in your Google Photos. Anyways, I'll go here, and I'll just look for technology right there. Where is it? I guess it's not there. I'll just put work and school and just put this guitar. Looks lovely. And then here's the image. Looks lovely. Okay. And then I can choose the color of the background of the form. As you can see, now I'm choosing blue. In the background, I'm just going to do it like that. Okay. And then you click send. When you send, you can choose if you want to collect people's email addresses for whoever fills the form. I'm just going to put responder input, which means the person who's filling out the form, they can put their email address, and that's mandatory. I've set it mandatory, or I can just put verified. I can send by email, or I can send by link. I can copy the link, or I can send as a short URL, as you can see, or I can send it embed HTML. Oh, I can't send it because I have added a file upload question, so no embed HTML. So 2 ways, email and link. And embed HTML you can do if you want, but since I added a file upload question, I can't do it. Okay, anyway, I'm going to shorten the URL, copy the link, and this link will be on the description if you want.